Do you want to turn more booked calls into paying clients? GoHighLevel gives you the tools to maximize every single appointment. Start by adding a quick application form before calls. This filters out tire kickers and ensures your calendar is filled with serious prospects. Use GoHighLevel's SMS and email reminders. Send confirmations right after booking, plus nudges 24 hours and 1 hour before. This alone can slash your no-show rate. Between booking and the call, deliver value. Set up an email or text sequence with case studies, testimonials, or a short video that builds authority before the meeting. Not every call will close on the spot. Create an automated workflow that sends a recap, offers, and reminders to keep the conversation moving until you buy. That's how you sell more booked calls with GoHighLevel. Qualify, remind, nurture, and follow up all on autopilot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.